Hope you guys are having a great day. You know how much I love these mystery boxes and these surprise boxes and all the styling services. So today I'm sharing with you a box from FASHOM. So FASHOM is a little bit different than some of the other styling services because there's no styling fee, but you do get a box that's curated to what your style is like. So you're gonna go online, you're gonna fill out a style profile, what kind of patterns you like, dislike, what colors you don't like, and then they'll give you some pictures. So what you're gonna get with a FASHOM box is no styling fee, but you cannot return anything that is in it because it's kind of like a mystery box. So you're gonna get $250 worth of items or more for $95, and you're gonna get 5 pieces. So you're gonna get 5 curated pieces that's gonna match the style profile that you picked out in the size that you normally go with. So I did get a medium box, and this is supposed to be catered to your style profile, and everything's a mystery. Now you can exchange something for a different size if they have it available, but it will be a small fee to be able to do that. But it's like a surprise. It's a nice surprise. Usually you're going to get something new that could be outside of your comfort zone, something you've never thought of before, or something that really meets your needs and something that you would really like to have but just haven't seen out there. So I'm really excited to share this box with you guys, and let's just go ahead and open it together. I have no idea what's inside, and then I'll try everything on for you guys. First thing, you have this card that says thank you from us to you. Thank you so much for your purchase. We donate $1 to Second Chance Rescue New York City for every purchase. So that is great. And then I'll have a referral link at the bottom. And if you sign up through that referral link, then you can get $10 off a box for yourself, which would make you getting 5 pieces worth $250 for $85. So let's see what's inside. So here is the bundle. So first off, it looks like there's a piece of jewelry in here. And I think that the last time I got a box, there was a piece of jewelry in there and then 4 clothing items. So this is really cute. I love pearls. And I believe on my profile, I put that I didn't mind gold or silver. You can have, if you have a preference, you can definitely put that on there. So these are really cute. They're like these pearl hoops. So let's just go ahead and put these on. I'll put these on throughout the whole entire video. Oh, they're flexible. So like you can flex these and make these more of a hoop. Really cute with all these pearls stacked on here. I like this. And it's just like a post back, silicone back. So easy to get on. All right, those are cute. So far, so good. And something from Vince Camuto. I love this brand. So this is in the black, size medium. Looks like it has a little bit of a slight bell sleeve, some ruffle detail, V-neck. So that I'm interested in. So here is a pattern, and this is definitely a racerback in the back. This is from Renee in this coral color, which coral is one of the colors that I do absolutely love. So we'll see how this looks on. A lot of times things just look better on. Something in lace, okay. So this is from Sugar Lips in a size medium, and this looks like a tiered lace skirt. And then the last thing is this dress from Staccato in this floral pattern, in this pink. Looks like it's fully lined. It looks, again, like a maxi length. So let's just try it on and see what we think after I try it on. Okay, so I just had jeans on when I started filming this video, so I just left those on with this top. So this is coral in this print, and it's got this spaghetti strap. In the back of it, you can see how it kind of comes in. I do have to wear strapless with this. It is lined to like right here. And if it's okay, it's a little bit tight in the hip. It's not nice and flowy. So I think this would look cute maybe with some white shorts, white pants of some kind. Not really as much with the denim. I just had this on, so I thought I would try it on with it. So I don't know. This is not really typically my style. I don't really care for tops that I have to wear strapless with, and I really don't like thin straps just because I have this fat pocket right here. And I feel like these thin straps just really don't do anything for that. Other than that, super cute. And let's just move on to some of the other things. I first thought these 2 pieces would kind of go together, but now that I'm looking at them, not so much, because this top is more of like a crisscross top. This is from Vince Camuto. It's got this nice V-neck, some bell sleeves. They're like a little bit shorter in the front, as you can see, kind of how that hangs. And then it has the crisscross detail in the front. So like this top really doesn't go so well with this. I'd pick a different top, but because they all came in the box together, I was trying to see if I could create any outfits from this box. And then here is this skirt. I actually have the skirt like up to here, almost up to here, just because of the length. I was trying to get like the right length and just how it fit. But this has a tier detail with this lace. You can see it's kind of lined under that. This is not my style at all. But this, I don't know. I'm not much into lace either, but it's very pretty. I think it's a really pretty skirt. It's just not my style, and I'm having to really pull it up to get it to kind of look right. Otherwise, I don't want it to be too much longer because I think it's a little bit overwhelming if it is. The top I think is great though. These earrings, I love these earrings. I think these earrings are just fantastic. So I do have one more thing to try on, and that's that dress. So here's the last thing. It's that maxi dress, and it's definitely a maxi. Of course, I don't have any shoes on, but it is hitting the ground. It's fully lined, nice and lightweight material. It does have that pink with that floral detail on it. More of that spaghetti strap. I don't usually go for a spaghetti strap, you guys, just because I'd mentioned it just makes me look a little bit bigger up here. But I did just keep it on with my regular bras, so you can see it does have to be worn with a strapless. And then you can see the back of it's a little bit lower. So this kind of just hangs. Doesn't have too much of a shape. It ends up being a prettier pattern than I expected it to be. So here are all of the things that were in the box. So it's $250 worth of items, and you pay $95. I do really love these earrings, and that Vince Camuto top was really nice as well. And the coral top, it kind of grew on me a little bit. I like the coral colors and that pattern. And this dress, again, it's something nice if you want to just wear a loose dress for summertime when it's super hot and you just don't want anything being really sticky or close to you. This is good for that because you can just throw this on with a pair of sandals and have a really cute look. So I do hope that you have enjoyed this video. And just let me know, have you ever purchased a FASHOM box before? And if so, have you been pleased with it and liked the pieces and felt like they were really created for your style based on your style quiz? I would love to know in the comments down below. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Also, I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button because I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day.